Are you drowning in debt? Are you compromising your future because you have no idea how to wipe your slate clean? If you need debt consolidation, you need our team. Even the smallest of things purchased on credit can build up and place you in a sticky spot. We've got a variety of options available to turn your situation on its head, including debt consolidation home loans, personal loans, secured loans, and more. We'll guide you on your path to taking out a loan to consolidate other small loans, paying off these balances. Ultimately, you'll be able to reduce monthly installments through lower interest rates and extended payment terms. If you've ever felt completely alone in your debt troubles, rest assured that you're not. We've helped countless people turn their dreams into a reality, and you could be next. Get in touch today, and let's get your life back on the right track.